Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. The energy band diagram and the electron density profile N of x in a semiconductor are shown. Assume that N of x is equal to 10 power 15 into e power q alpha x by kt per centimeter cube, with alpha is equal to 0.1 volt per centimeter and x is expressed in centimeters also. Given kT by q, that is also called as thermal voltage Vt, is given as 26 millivolts or 0.026 volts, and dN, diffusion constant for electron, 36 centimeter square per second. Okay, kT by q is given as d by mu, and we are going to calculate electron current density at x is equal to 0. Electron current density at x is equal to 0 is indicated as Jn of x is equal to, okay, and current density can be of two different types, that is nothing but drift current density and diffusion current density. Drift current density is going to be present whenever there is application of external electric field. That means when you applied voltage externally, that will create electric field, and because of that one you are going to get the current density, that is drift current density. And second one is nothing but diffusion current density. Diffusion current density is possible only when there is a non-uniformity in the doping concentration. So now if you are going to be checking this question, you don't find any external voltage application, so there is no drift current density present. And if you observe the N of x graph, N of x is nothing but logarithm of N of x is given, so that N of x is e power something. So if you take logarithm, log and e, if it gets cancelled, you are going to get a linear graph. Okay, so this is a linear graph, and as x is going to be increases, the concentration of log N of x is going to be gets increases. This implies non-uniform semiconductor. Non-uniform semiconductor. So that for this non-uniform semiconductor, definitely diffusion current density is existing. So what we are going to calculate is electron diffusion current density. Diffusion current density. Diffusion is a process of movement of charge carriers from one region to other region in a non-uniform semiconductor. Strictly speaking, it is always from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. Okay, so as they are moving higher concentration region to lower concentration region, the electrons are going to be moving in this direction, because as x increases, okay, the concentration is also increases. Okay, so electrons are moving from higher concentration to lower concentration. Diffusion is defined as the process of movement of charge carriers from higher concentration to lower concentration, that is only possible in non-uniform semiconductors. So this is a non-uniform semiconductor according to the equation given, and we are going to calculate current density. And the equation for current density due to diffusion of electrons is, okay, q into dn into dn of x divided by dx. And we know N of x equation is given this way. So first differentiate this one with respect to x. So this is equation 1. dn of x divided by dx is equal to 10 power 15 into e power, this entire value I am assuming that one, okay, something as some constant. So say it as a, so e power a, okay, and differentiation of a with respect to x, that is nothing but alpha divided by kt by q. If it is taking denominator side, it will become kt by q. Kt by q is nothing but Vt, because the value is directly given. Kt by q is also treated as Vt, so I can write it as alpha by Vt. Vt is thermal voltage. Now dn of x is this one, but what we are going to calculate is current density at x is equal to 0. current density at x is equal to 0. So dn of x divided by dx at x is equal to 0 is equal to, at x is equal to 0, simply substitute x value. Okay, so this is a will become 0. So this is 10 power 15 into e power 0. X value will become 0, so that a will become 0 into alpha is nothing but 0.1 divided by, and Vt value is 0.026. This is the value you are going to get. So this value is 10 power 15 into 100 divided by 26. So this will be equal to 10 power 17 divided by 26. Now substitute Jn of 0 is equal to 1.6 from equation 1. Q value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into dn is given as 36 centimeter square per second, and dn of x at x is equal to 0 is 10 power 17 divided by 26. So Jn of 0 is equal to 1.6 into 36 divided by 26 into 10 power minus 2. So the value is going to be equal to 2.21 into 10 power minus 2 ampere per centimeter square. So Jn of 0 is 2.21, and you will get plus sign because as the charge carriers are going to moving, you will get the dn of x, dn by dx. dn by dx is going to be positive, so you will get positive value. Okay, generally what happens is nothing but it will be showing in this direction. As x is going to be increases, at that time concentration is going to be getting reduced. This side is higher concentration, this side is lower concentration. By that time dn by dx is going to be negative. But according to our diagram, in this diagram electrons are moving from higher concentration to lower concentration. So if you take the difference, at that time high minus low, this will be always positive only. The slope of this one is positive, and slope of this one is negative. So according to our diagram, positive slope, so you will get positive value. So the right answer is 2.2 into 10 power minus 2. If instead of this log nx diagram, if it is given in this way, at that time you will get it as minus 2.2. Okay, so the right answer for this question is 2.2 into 10 power minus 2 ampere per centimeter square. Thank you.